Today I'm going to show you how to use closed captions in Chrome step by step so you can turn on live caption and automatically see captions for spoken audio right inside your browser. This is a really useful feature if you watch videos, join calls, or listen to audio and want real-time captions without needing any extra extension. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find all of the browser's settings and controls. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's settings page. Once you're there, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Accessibility. This section is where Chrome keeps its accessibility tools, including options that help with reading, hearing, and browser usability. Now, at the top of the accessibility menu, look for the Live Caption toggle switch. Live Caption is the feature that generates captions automatically for audio playing in Chrome. Turn that switch on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome may take a few seconds to download the speech recognition language files it needs to make the feature work properly. That download is completely normal, so just give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, live captions should be active in your browser. After that, whenever Chrome detects spoken audio, it will display captions automatically in a small caption box so you can follow along in real time. This can be especially helpful for videos, podcasts, online meetings, or any content where audio is important. If you don't see captions right away, make sure the video or audio is actually playing in Chrome and that the live caption setting is still switched on. You can always go back into settings and accessibility if you want to turn it off later or check that it stayed enabled. And that's it. You've now learned how to use closed captions in Chrome by turning on live caption. It only takes a few clicks, and once it's set up, it can make browsing and watching content much easier. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.